Namaste, this is Yogachari Vivek Tiwari from Kaivaladham Yoga Institute, Lonavala. Here are some yoga practices which will improve your lungs capacity, breathing capacity, it will improve your immunity and the oxygen level in your body. To maintain all those things and to prevent yourself from the pandemic situation, I am going to introduce you some yoga practices. Here are those yoga practices. So, the first practice is Parvatasana, in which you are raising your hands overhead, circling your hands to the ceiling and joining your palms together. It improves your lungs capacity, breathing capacity, it expands your rib cage and your chest. So, this is very good to improve your lungs capacity or breathing capacity. Okay. So, this is Parvatasana, mountain pose. Then in the same way, we have one more asana in which you are stretching and opening the rib cage is Uttana Mandukasana. So, you can sit in either Vajrasana in cross leg, or ideally you are sitting in Vajrasana, then keeping your big toes together and knees apart like this, and then stretching your hands to the ceiling like this, and after that folding the elbows, placing your palms on opposite scapulae like this. So, it improves your breathing capacity and naturally the oxygen level in your body. So, this is Uttana Mandukasana. In the same way, we have practice like Ushtrasana, camel pose, in which you are coming in a kneeling position like this, and then palms on your buttocks, and then going back like this. This is Ushtrasana, camel pose. So, if you think it properly, all the practices in which your rib cage is getting expanded, those practices are very beneficial. Now, some practices like Bhujangasana, cobra pose. In this way, you are lying down on the abdomen, palms by the sides of the chest, and then slowly extending yourself, lifting your upper body till the belly button with the minimum support or without support of your hands. This is cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Then Dhanurasana, bow pose like this. Then Shalabhasana, locust pose, in which you are lifting your lower body. It stretches your alveoli, so the air sacs are getting expanded properly. So, these are some asana practices. Apart from asana, there are more important than asana practices, that is pranayama, breathing practices. So, in breathing practices, the first practice, very important practice, that is Kapalabhati. Okay. If you have infection, if you are infected, then don't practice Kapalabhati. Okay. But to prevent yourself, Kapalabhati is the best practice, in which you are supposed to exhale actively, repeatedly, without fluctuation. Inhalation is passive like this. And of course, the most important, that the king of all mantras is Om chanting, okay, in which you can just inhale and chant Om like this. So these are some yoga practices, and I will be very happy to introduce you some other yoga practices in the future in our regular sessions. So I am thankful to all of you, and I welcome all of you to join the sessions in the future, and welcome in Hindustan Times. Namaste.